Hi guys, welcome to my channel Walking on Earth. This is the vlog which was made from Delhi to Kedarnath, and we were 9 people including one friend from Kotdwar. We left Delhi in the night around 11:30 and everything has been taken care of regarding e-pass and COVID report. So we left Delhi and reached mountains in the morning. After we picked up our friend from Kotdwar, till Rudraprayag the roads are really good, but after that when you enter Kedarnath side, the roads are bad due to landslide and rain that was going on from last 1 month. Also there was a lot of traffic jam, all the accidents that you can see over here, all the trucks, and the condition of roads were really bad after Rudraprayag. It's all because of the landslide that has happened, and we were lucky that the time we reached there was no rain and the weather was really good. It was not a sunny but the rain was there. Look at the condition of road. This is the way from Sonprayag to Gaurikund. Also, everyone has to take a cab from Sonprayag to Gaurikund because the private vehicles are not allowed to enter in Gaurikund. As you can see, the Kedarnath is 14 km from Gaurikund. This is the small temple in Gaurikund. Now we are on the way to hot spring water Kund, which is a natural hot spring water. It is pretty cool out there, but still the water was so hot that you can take a dip in that. This is the track that starts from Gaurikund. As you can see, we are now starting the track. It's a 14 km track from Gaurikund and it usually takes 5 to 7 hours to reach there. The road you can see over here is broken because of the landslide that has happened before. So it was quite dangerous to cross these type of roads, and these things make the trek more dangerous in the rainy season. You will find a lot of waterfall on the way. There is one more waterfall that is kind of dangerous one. This is the mountain where we have to reach. We are walking right now, and as I told you, it takes approximately 5 to 7 hours to reach over there at the Kedarnath temple, and we didn't find a lot of people over here because as I told you it was closed due to landslides and the weather was not good from past 1 month. Just enjoy the nature and see all the waterfalls. I will try to show you as much as I can. As you can see, there is a bridge that we have to cross from where the main Kedarnath trek starts. This is the bridge from where the main Kedarnath trek starts. It takes the most of your time from here to reach Kedarnath. Kedarnath temple is around 8 km from here. After crossing that bridge, now we only have to go upward. This is the most challenging part of the trek. Look at the weather. When we were walking, and this is the time when it was 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and see how we are surrounded by the clouds. These are the kind of shortcuts that we have taken to climb. If we walk by the main road, then it will take a lot of time, so we decided to take some shortcuts. When the coronavirus was not there, at that time there were more than 1 lakh people walking towards the Kedarnath temple. So we are very glad that we came at a time when there was no one or few peoples. If you are not used to with trekking and you cannot walk that much, then you can take a horse. This is the old way to Kedarnath temple, and you can clearly see the landslide that has happened. Also, the old way was really short. These are the glaciers that we found on the way. And here we are again taking a shortcut because most of our friends have already reached at the Kedarnath temple. Another thing that is very important to tell you is that there is no internet connectivity, but sometimes your phone will receive signals, and also there is a free Wi-Fi zone at the Kedarnath temple, so you can use that as well. This is how the way works. All the shortcuts that we have taken to reach, but if you go through the main road, I guess it will take more time, plus you will get tired. This is how the weather looks like, and now we are totally surrounded by the clouds. Now we took another shortcut because the weather was not good. Now only clouds are visible. We are totally surrounded by the clouds. This is another glacier that we found while we were going.
Next 10 steps.
We have almost reached at the temple. Temple is around 100 to 200 meters from here. This is Mandakini river, and look at the waves. Now we are walking towards the temple, which is in front of us, and it is not clearly visible because of the clouds. These are some stairs that goes towards the temple.
After all,
Har Har Mahadev.
Har Mahadev.
Adalet de.
This is how the morning looks like in Kedarnath, and it's around 6 o'clock in the morning.